In today's video, I am going to teach you how to embed a YouTube video on LinkedIn. Let us dive right in and get started. The first thing you are going to want to do is head over to LinkedIn. If you are not already logged in, you will be prompted to sign in. You can do this using Google, Microsoft, or simply your email and password. Remember, if you have two-factor authentication enabled on your account, which, by the way, is a fantastic way to keep your account secure. LinkedIn may ask you to verify your account using a code sent to your phone number. Once you have logged into LinkedIn and completed any verification, you will find yourself on your LinkedIn feed. What you need to do next is click on your avatar picture located in the upper right corner of the screen. This step will open a drop-down menu. From there, click on View Profile to navigate directly to your LinkedIn profile page. When you are on your profile page, scroll down until you see the Activity section. This is where you can get an overview of all your recent interactions on LinkedIn. Clicking on Show All Posts will allow you to view every post you have interacted with. Once you are in this section, look for the specific LinkedIn post that you want to embed. It is crucial to choose the right post because this is what you will be sharing on other platforms. Now, pay close attention to the top right corner of the post where you will notice 3 dots. This icon is for more options. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the Embed This Post option. A pop-up window will appear, containing the embed code for the post. This embed code is essential, because you will use it to integrate your LinkedIn post onto another platform, such as a blog or a website. To proceed, click on the Copy Code button in the pop-up window. This action will copy the embed code directly to your clipboard. It is crucial to remember that this code is what you will paste wherever you would like the LinkedIn post to appear. So ensure that it is copied correctly. And just like that, you have successfully obtained the embed code for a LinkedIn post, making it ready to be embedded onto your chosen platform. Let us just do a quick recap to ensure everything is fresh in your mind. First, head to LinkedIn and sign in. Then, go to your profile and click View Profile. Once you are there, scroll down to your Activity section. Find the post you want to embed. Access the More Options menu. Select Embed This Post, and finally, copy the code. If you follow these steps diligently, embedding a LinkedIn post should be a straightforward process. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more instructional videos. Until next time, keep exploring and enhancing your LinkedIn presence.